Hi everyone, it's Laura Laws and I'm going to show you how I make my videos. I don't really know what I'm doing. I've just sort of been winging it and figuring it out as I go along. This isn't to say this is the best way to do it. If you have any tips, let me know if there's things I could be doing better or easier or faster. But this is sort of what I figured out what works for me. This isn't my profession. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I kind of do this as a hobby. And so I just put in, you know, a good amount of effort into it. I do enjoy it. I wish I had more time to do more editing, but it's hard to find time when you're a stay-at-home mom and your husband works a lot. So this is my process. Hannah, who watches my videos, reached out to me, and I have had other people ask me, and she wanted to start a channel and she asked for advice, and I was like, how do I explain this over messaging? I was like, would you like a video? And she said, yeah. I said, I think it would be pretty easy to make a video. So let me show you what I do to make a video. So I'm gonna be making two videos. One is our nighttime routine by myself with my 32-month-old daughter. And then this video is gonna be taking the footage and showing you how I do it. And the first thing I wanted to show you was the camera that I use. So here you are. It flips up. So I think it's pretty much the most popular vlogging camera there is. It is a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. It's very lightweight. It's kind of inconspicuous. Most people just think it's like a regular camera, not a video camera. When I was a little girl, my mom used to rent video cameras for Thanksgiving. And they were like this. You put them on your shoulder at our like local video store. I know I'm aging myself. And so we would rent them and then we'd have VHS tapes. I wonder where those tapes are. So yeah, it's very easy to use this camera, and I just put it on auto. I don't really change the settings. I figured out how to do a self timer on it, and I also changed one other setting. If I want to do anything, usually I just Google a YouTube video and then I watch it. And that's how I figure out if I want to change a setting. But like the autofocus was being allowed, so I did something to change that. So this is the camera I use. And then after I'm done filming tonight, I will show you how I upload everything into the computer, and I use iMovie as well. This is my laptop that I use, a Mac, and I've had this since I was in real estate. I didn't buy this for vlogging or anything. It's something I already had. And then I have SD cards. So I have 3 of them. One's in the camera and then 2 here. And I used to film like walkthroughs of properties when I was a real estate agent. So that's probably why I have so many, but you really don't need that many. Especially if you have an external hard drive. So I have an extra battery for my camera and a charger. That way you have a backup, like when I'm at Disney. It's very rare that I lose battery power, but I think I have before. This is the, I don't know all the technical words. I'm pretty sure I got all of this on Amazon, so I'll link it below, but this is to put your SD card in, and this converts the USB to whatever that is for the Mac. And then this is an external hard drive, and I mean, the amount of video that I have on here is insane. These are under $100. I don't remember what I paid, but it holds an incredible amount of stuff. And then I think I have like 2 or 3 tripods. A big tripod, this tripod, and then the tripod that came with my camera. And that's pretty much like technically my setup. It is the end of the night. I just finished filming our nighttime routine video, and it ended a little traumatic. I popped my knee out of the socket while my daughter was in the tub, kind of like worst case scenario there, but everything's fine. My knee is okay. I probably need surgery. Long story short, I'm gonna show you how I transfer everything and do editing another day. But I did want to say, when we're at Target, sometimes, or if I just don't have my camera on me, I'll pull my phone out. And I do use my iPhone a lot, and there's a way to put the camera on 4K. Up in the top here, you can change it, HD 4K 24, 30, 60. So I put it on the best one, and then you film in landscape. Because that's the ratio that you use for YouTube. So I will show you guys the rest of how I edit the video. Here is my computer. I use iMovie. So projects. I'm working on a Disney haul right now. So open up a new movie, and then I just drag and drop my files in there. First, what I do is I put all the files over on the hard drive. Okay, so the SD card goes in here. Then I put this in, and then I plug in the hard drive. And then it does show up in iMovie, but I just close that. I don't know, I don't do it this way. I come to Finder, and then it's right here. And then there's the hard drive there. So I just move the new movie files. To there. So the files have been moved to the external hard drive, and then I can eject that, and back to iMovie, back to the Finder, and then I'm gonna have to do 2 different files here. So this would be this is gonna be the video of how I make my videos, and then I'll do another one about my nighttime routine. And I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to show because it's kind of boring. Hi everyone, it's Laura Laws, and today I thought I would show you... Take 2. Hi everyone, it's Laura Laws, and I'm going to show you how I make my videos. Okay, so all I do is just put them here. And then, so I'll stop doing that until they're done. And then I go to settings, fade in and fade out. And then when it's done, you upload it to YouTube. So I have almost an hour of footage because I just let it run a lot because she was being so cute. If I don't have my camera on me, I just use my phone. And the audio is not as good, but the picture's pretty good. So this is how I get a thumbnail. I screen grab. I just think her face is cute in this. I don't know, that's more devilish, isn't it? So I do Shift Command 4, and then I'll just screen grab it. So for music for my videos, I use Epidemic Sound, which is $15 a month. And it's really nice because they make suggestions, you can search by mood, genres, they'll have like a featured artist, I think, oh here it is. I think I can get you some sort of discount, so I'll take a look at that, and then you can save it. So I'll create playlist, Somerset, Disney, Christmas, like that, and then so I finished my video. I got it down to 16.5 minutes, and I left it kind of long because she had an emotional night, and so did mommy. So I just kind of wanted to show like the emotion and how I deal with her emotions, and then I had some. I sped it up in a few spots, so I put some music in. But you don't have to do the subscription, especially if you're just starting out. So under audio, you go to jingles, and this is all free music that you can use through iMovie. So what I usually do is hit time for the longer ones. So like Lotus, piano ballad. So this is a really good way to start off with when you're just starting off, just use these. So I go through real quick the first pass and just do a rough edit, and then the second pass I go through and I just try to edit it down as much as possible, and then I will put in the transitions as well, and then I'll speed things up, things like that. And then the third pass I'll do the music, and then what I'll do is I will put it on the big screen and watch the whole thing through to make sure there's no other last minute edits. So it's done. I'm gonna upload it, share, and then I put it as private. That way when I upload it, I can do the last edits. So you can do unlisted and public. So I do private, people and blogs, HD, and that's it. And it takes, I always plug it in because it can take like, I don't know how long, 20 minutes. So for the thumbnails, I use Spark Adobe. So sometimes I'll probably just use something like this. I'll show you the finished product once I finish the thumbnail. And then I guess what I'll do is show you how I do post once it's uploaded. I'm gonna finish up my video. So I found where it was. So the audio library is where you can find free music. So I finished the thumbnail. I usually don't do clickbaity thumbnail, but I thought I would. So let me show you the video. So I already put everything in. So title, description, and then this is where you do the thumbnail. They always pick, I mean, they're always awful. Look how awful that is. So you're gonna upload your thumbnail, and then you do an end screen. So I'll do subscribe and a playlist. So I'll do the playlist that this is part of, the day in the life stay-at-home mom. And then the end screen, you can do cards if you want. So I turned monetization on. So once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in a year of views, then you can monetize your channel. So it does take a while. I think that's all I do. Wait, where's the thumbnail? That's weird, the thumbnail's off. I usually watch it one more time once it's uploaded before I delete it from iMovie. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. So I'm gonna schedule it for Monday morning. Monday morning at, let's do 9:30 a.m. And you can also set it as a premiere. Then that's it. That's how she's done. And I'll be live tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions or if you have any other tips that would help me. And I'll see you on the next one.